So hello and welcome to this little mini video series I'm going to put together, or have put together, on showing you how to make an extra $500 to $5,000 or pounds a month writing real simple emails for other businesses. In this video I'm going to walk you through the email money model, and this is going to give you an overview of the whole process, and this is what we're going to be going through in each of the videos that are going to be coming in the series. So the first video we're going to talk about the email money method and why this is great for beginners. Second video we're going to talk about your first client or your first dream client and where and how to actually find them. Then in video 3 we'll talk about the no risk pitch method. So this is basically how to actually get those people on the phone with you, or like in a direct message or anything like that. And then in video 4 we're going to talk about closing the deals and landing gigs. So in this video, we're going to talk first of all, what is email copywriting? We're going to then look at how to make money with this simple and highly in demand skill. I'm then going to show you why this is the perfect side hustle for beginners. And then I'm going to give you the steps to getting your first paying client with really simple emails. And these are like 5th grade level emails. They're nothing complicated. You don't have to be good at writing, so anybody can do it. So what is email copywriting first of all? Copywriting, like we've been through in some of the videos on this channel, is just literally words that sell things. And you'll see this everywhere. Whether you're online or offline, you'll see copywriting in action. And then email copywriting is basically the same thing, so selling stuff by writing simple emails. And in my opinion, from my experience, it's kind of like the Holy Grail. I don't know like where I got this picture from. This is Indiana Jones and the Holy Grail. I think it's the Last Crusader movie. I thought it was quite relevant. But Holy Grail is basically emails, because you don't have to have any experience. Anybody can write really simple emails and it will work in any market or industry. And whether you want to do this part-time or full-time, it's perfect. You don't have to quit your job. You can follow the steps in this video and other videos on YouTube, and you can learn one of the most powerful, greatest skills that any single person should master, I think. Like it says here, if you can sell things with words, you can literally sell things in any business. So here's how to make money with this simple in-demand skill. And I'm going to show you how the email money model works. So first of all, we're going to go out and we're going to go and find businesses, or find a business with an email list and a proven product. Then we're going to ask them, do they want to sell more of what they're already selling to make more dough, or to make more money? And then we're going to write emails to their list, and we're going to sell more stuff, and we're going to make more bank. Client makes more money, or you help the client make more money, you make more money, everyone basically wins. You then get a testimonial from that client, and use that testimonial as a case study to get even more higher paying clients. That's how simple the model is. It's very simple. So email copywriting, I think, is perfect for beginners or anybody looking to make an extra income on the side, because it costs nothing to start. So you don't need to go and spend like thousands and thousands of pounds on learning this skill. It's fairly straightforward. You can make money fairly fast. So with what I teach with this video series, you can literally learn the fundamentals of copywriting. You can then go out there and get your first paying client within, say, 30 or 40 days. Maybe even less than that, depending on how much work you're willing to put into it. But it doesn't even take that much work. Copywriting is literally the most in-demand skill. And every single business needs copywriting, or good copywriting. You can become a great copywriter fast. So I put the word copy in capitals because copywriting is different than actual, like, say, writing. We're not writing books here. You don't have to be great at slinging together 1,000-word or 1,000-page stories and novels. Copywriting is just basically understanding basic psychology and connecting the dots between a product and a customer or a prospect. That's literally all it is. And like I've already said, it works in any business. So here's how to make your first $1,000 or £1,000 or wherever you are writing simple emails. You need to learn how to write emails that sell. You need to know your dream client. We then need to create our core offer, and then we need to reach out to prospects. and then we speak to them on the phone. So, in fact, just before I go back onto this, so learning how to write emails that sell, fairly straightforward. There are certain elements to a successful email that works. Knowing your dream client, so we don't want to be going out and targeting every single person with this. We want to pick a specific niche, specific market, and we talk to a specific person so we can solve a specific problem for them. And doing this makes you an expert in your industry, it gives you authority, shows you know your stuff, and it just makes you way more desirable than being everything to everybody. Reaching out to prospects, this is going to be an ongoing thing which I'm going to show you how to do. And then the easiest way to close deals is probably on the phone, because you can build relationships with people on the phone through chatting with them fairly quickly versus like direct message or even just going back and forth on email. So here's the 5 must-haves you need to succeed with email copywriting. You need dedication, you need a desire to earn more money, you need to be able to get out of your comfort zone, and this kind of all relates to speaking to prospects and clients on the phone, because I know some people watching this may be a bit like, oh, I don't want to do that, I don't want to speak to people, I want to be just this unknown person sat behind a computer screen. And you need thick skin, because at the end of the day, you are going to get people saying no and who don't want what you have to offer, and that's okay. So dedication, I take this with a pinch of salt, because all I mean with this is that don't expect to send a single email or reach out to a single client and then get that first person as a client. It may take a number of attempts to get your first client, which obviously equates to getting out of your comfort zone, then obviously shows you have a desire to earn more money. And it shows you have thick skin as well, because you are going to get people that say no. And again, that's fine, because obviously every single no that you get is just an opportunity for you to understand what people are struggling with, and then you can adapt that going forward to overcome potential objections in like sales calls or whatever. And every single no that you get is just one step closer to getting a yes. That's how I would see it anyway. So that was video 1. I just wanted to outline the whole email money model from like a bird's eye view and get you interested in the possibilities of creating a side income with real simple emails that you can offer to other businesses. So in video 2, in the next video in this series, we're going to talk about getting your first paying client and where and how to find them. If you want more copy tips, I send out almost daily emails to my own email list. The link to join that email list is in the description below, completely free to join. But yeah, that's how you can stay in touch with myself and fast track your way to becoming an email copywriter. Any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to them, and we'll see you in video 2.